channel. It's Love Anya Favorites. Today I'm going to show you some new things that I bought from Anya Hindmarch. I'm so excited to share with you these things, guys. I bought not just one but two items from them, and it is in this. Let's start to open it. I've got two items from them. It's this one and it's the other one. Wanted to buy a proper makeup bag, which I can use for longer, and I want something nice and chic. And I've been hunting for many years, since I love makeup, and of course having a nice makeup means, for me, I wanted to have a nice makeup bag as well that goes with my makeup. I always wanted to buy some Anya Hindmarch, the clear plastic bag. It's not plastic, but it looks like a see-through kind of bag. And it seems rather expensive for my budget, and I can't really afford to spend so much, like nearly 300 pounds. So their website is on sale. I quickly checked and I found these makeup bags, and they were like 70% off. So I can imagine, like, wow, that's a really good deal. And I bought one and another one. There you go. So this is the bag. I'm gonna come closer. There you go. It's their wing collection, and it says brushes in here, if you can see, and the other side it says makeup. There you go. So it comes with two compartments. So the front bit is for the brushes. So let's take that off. Oops, see, looks a bit shiny and with like a glitter particles in it, if you could see, sparkling a little bit. And inside it has this ribbon design, which is popular design from Anya Hindmarch. There you go, and it's the ribbon, and it comes with cards. It says the important things. They always have this quirky kind of design, and that's the description. They call it small makeup wink, for those interested. And there's some other cards here and another one, and yeah, so there's nothing like something to put your makeup brushes, but it's only like that. And then when you open up the bigger compartment, it comes with this as well, and it's also plain with that label on. Yeah, and then we have the gold hardware zipper, and with some leather tassels. So it looks really nice, and it looks compact, and I feel like I can fit a lot of things in here. So there you go, and I still have that. And one, it's this one. It's a lot bigger than the first one, and there you go. It looks the same because it's in the same collection, the wing collection, and it says their makeup. There you go. So when you open up the first layer, so it's the same concept, nylon with a reflective kind of material. It's like gray. with a smiley face and the tassel with the gold zipper hardware. So, and then with one ribbon there, and at the back it's just plain. So when you open up, one zip, and it has the same inside fabric with a ribbon kind of design, and that's a zip, and it comes with the same care cards, and another one, and with 6 makeup brushes compartment. There's like 3 small brushes here, or 4, and 2 larger ones. There you go, and it comes with the elastic band, and it says brushes. Then the second compartment is just a plain one. So these are 2 of my new bags, and I'm really in love with them because it means I can keep a nice, I can have some nice makeup bags, and it's such a good price for me. And then because they normally like 200 something, nearly 300 pounds, and for I think 85 pounds for this, and this is like 72 pounds, I think. I think it's a bargain. So yes, I really love it. And for the size reference, it's like that. I think it's around 100 and not 10 cm, I think, for the diameter. I can't remember, but I'm gonna leave some details here. And yeah, it's a lot. This is a lot smaller than the other one. So yeah, so let's fill in some makeups in here. Thank you for watching.